Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing a DIY cat cake on a budget. Well, of course, for this one, you can change up the ingredients so you can use it for your dog or whatever pet that you have. And it's so quick and easy. Just play with your imagination. You can definitely change up the designs and everything. So if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Alright, so first thing that you'll be needing is a pate. Choose whatever flavor that you'd like. Just make sure it has pate on the label and definitely not a canned fish. You can even open it up and it should look like this, like a meatloaf. Alright, and then second would be this churro in tubes and single packs. That's very liquidy. That's gonna serve as your icing. And the next ones are just gonna be optional depending on how you would like to design your cake. As for me, I have here this Treats Temptation. You can also, of course, for any of these, just choose whatever flavor you'd like or your cat like, your pet likes. Especially that you can use this not only for cats, but even for dogs. And then next would be kibble. So what I did was just put this in a blender and turn it into a powder. That's gonna be for the design. And that's pretty much it. But if you don't have a blender, just put it in a Ziploc and then beat the hell out of it. And that's it, okay? Alright, so first step would be to get a plate. Preferably a white plate so you could see the design. And then get your first layer. It's definitely up to you on how many layers you'd want it to be. Just make sure to drain out the liquid in it. Just put it in a bowl so your cats could eat it later on. And you can put it in their kibble. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And then for the other one, since we have a second layer in here, I'll try to cut it out a little bit smaller than this one so you can see the two layers of the cake. All right, and here we go. I just sliced off the outer layer of it. I mean, not the outer layer, but like almost half of it. And then we're just gonna be putting this on the plate just like that, and then put the smaller one on top. Just be careful with it. Yee! That's already 2 layers of cake. So to give you a better angle, looks like that, sliding off. So I'm just gonna change the camera angle so you can see it better, especially with how I designed it. Okay. All right. So this is how it looks with 2 layers of it, and now you're gonna get your churro and open it up. And what you're just gonna do is spread this all over your 2-layer cake. If you don't have a spatula for baking, which I don't have, but I do have a spatula for painting, so I use that and just cleaned it up. You can just use a bread knife, or or a steak knife, or a butter knife, or any knife actually. Depending on you, if you'd like to have texture on it, you can use the sharp side of the knife, and if not, just use the blunt side to make it smoother. So I'm just gonna flatten this out as best as I could. Alright, so there you have it. You were able to cover all sides of the cake itself. Now I'm just gonna get a tissue to clean it up because it's too wet because of the juice. So just make sure to get all of the juice out. If you want to put it on top of a paper towel to dry it out a bit, go ahead and do so, so everything's not gonna be as slippery as it is, and it'll be easier for you to design your cake. Just letting the tissue suck in all the juices in there. And then we'll just do another cleaning later on. Now, clean up your spatula. And then I think what I want to do is use this powdered kibble as a design on the sides. Try to do it as cleanly as you can. Alright, so I'm just gonna throw it all on the sides first and then just drag it upwards later on. Just dump everything in there. And then drag it all up. It's working. So this is the first time I'm doing a cat cake. Not really doing, just like redesigning, reconstructing something to make a cat cake out of it. Because that's my daughter's cat. First time that we ever had a cat ever. So just continue dragging that up. Scooping some of it upwards. Yeah, this spatula thing is really cool. Now, what I'm gonna do is get the kibble and place it on the sides. Like the top part of the first layer. And then just sprinkling it all over. Sprinkling. Yee! It's cute. Of course I made it, so yeah, I'm gonna see it's cute. And then get some of these treats and put it on top. I don't know how I want to do this, so okay. Just be careful not to ruin it. Like, take your time. You gotta have patience with this. So apparently this paste thing, the churro thing that we used, is very important because that's where you're gonna be sticking everything in. Not bad. I'm happy with that. And there you have it. Our DIY cat cake, dog cake, pet cake on a budget. It's very simple and easy. And you can definitely choose however you'd want it, the flavor, whatever flavor you'd like it to be, and the colors and the design. So this is just a guide, and that's that. Happy birthday, doggy. Happy birthday. You don't like it, baby. This is yours. Happy birthday, doggy. Doggy. Hello. Doggy, no, not that. Baby, oh. Baby, oh, cake. Happy birthday, doggy. Oh, there you go. Come and eat it. Oh my God. Yee, kiki. Doggy, you like it? Ha? Sige. Kaso baka ubusan niya si Doggy. Happy birthday, Doggy. Oh, she likes it. Happy birthday. I thought she's not gonna eat it. Happy birthday, Doggy. Is it okay if I put this down? That's all yours. Yee. You like it, baby? Yee.
Umiiyak siya.
Oh, no, baby. Happy birthday din. That's not yours, but yeah. Ang dami yan na kinain kanina. Yung tailed canned fish. Siya na umubos eh. Tamo, tumigil na si Doggy. Ang konti nung kinain ni Doggy. Oh my God. Baby, that's not your cake. Yuki, stop it. Alam. Parang siya uubos nito. Baby,
Hindi siya makakain.
Teka, hindi mo lang.
Hindi makakain si Doggy.
Grabe ka, hindi naman. Ayan, nagtampo ang birthday girl. Doggy. Sige, kain ka pa, baby. Alad. Sira ulo kayo, okay. Ayoko na ako nakain ng birthday cake ko. Aking cake yun na yan, si Baka. Sige, okay. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, MabMab. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. You take care. Bye-bye. Oh shit, it's not a cake.
Oh shit, it's the same.